Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Definitely to have you back to the Freedom Coach Cashflow Builder channel. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to have some fun today. But before I get started, y'all know I get to go and get excited, get pumped, because part of my mission and my vision is obviously to produce and create financial people independent all over the world. So before I forget, there you go. Somewhere you have a subscribe button to the top, to the bottom, left or right. Make sure you hit the subscription button, but also make sure you hit the bell so you get notified on our updated anytime we have new weekly training topics coming out. So the one for the day is minimize your taxes. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a few things that you definitely have to understand really when it comes to playing the money game. If you don't understand the rules, I don't care if it's checkers, I don't care if it's chess, I don't care if it's ping pong or Uno, it's going to be very hard for you to win. So we're going to share with you one of the rules to play the money game is understand how to minimize your taxes. Oh, let's get started. So, again, for the people that don't know who I am, my name is Fahim Muhammad, the Freedom Coach. I am a chartered senior financial planner. I am a licensed real estate broker. That which means, obviously, I know about real estate. I am a licensed loan officer mortgage broker, which means what? I know about loans for real estate. I am a licensed insurance broker, which means I know about what? Insurance. I am a licensed investment retirement broker, which means I know about what? Investment retirement. Also, I'm a credit repair consultant, a specialist. But most important, I'm an international speaker and trainer, a 3-time author over the book series, Make It Happen from Zero to Hero, which is book right here. Making It Happen, Credit to Freedom, and also Freedom is Not for Sale. But most important, I'm your family and I'm your friend. So I want to give you some basic stuff, ladies and gentlemen, so you can make for sure that you can start to save on taxes, because that's where majority or a lot of people money is going. So before I forget again, don't forget to hit that subscription button, top down, make sure you got that zoomed in. All right, so here we go. Minimize your taxes. Ladies and gentlemen, you want to be a professional, hire a professional so you can get professional results. So what happened is, ladies and gentlemen, when you get ready to go to whoever your tax preparer is, or go to your accountant or CPA, they are not in business to give you classes, to give you training. That's why you hire them. You're supposed to know what you're doing or why you want to do it and bring them the documentation. Because in the IRS code, it's over 80,000 pages. That's about 80,000 plus pages. That's a lot of pages. That means to fill up my room, your room, and some more rooms, right? That's a lot of pages, okay? But it's only two rules in the tax code. Either employee or entrepreneur, employer. And so those are pretty much the main two things you need to know. So we want to show you that you can get a business, part-time, spare time, full-time, or even big time, so you can be able to minimize taxes. We have another program we have about, obviously, tax withholding. Now we want to talk about how you can, by having a spare time, part-time, full-time, or big-time business, how you can structure. Ladies and gentlemen, presidents after presidents, financial planners, you must have some kind of business, even if it's a home-based business. It doesn't matter what it is, if it's spare time or part-time, because there's certain deductions and things that you can have. Now, let me tell you how you can minimize your taxes by having a program like that. The first thing up here, and this is not number one, it is the basics. Record keeping. I repeat, record keeping. Write this down. If you don't remember nothing else I said, remember this right here. If it's not in black and white, it didn't happen, and documentation beats conversation. So you got to make for sure. I repeat, documentation beats conversation. Ladies and gentlemen, the only reason why people have a challenge when it comes to an audit is because they don't have the documentation. If you document, even if they have to adjust the numbers because you have the documentation. And even if something got credit, shouldn't got credit, or you missed something or didn't miss something, but you have something in place to document. And so we have obviously a software. That's why we say, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you go hit the subscription button. Check out some of our other channels so you can learn some of the other strategies and be able to put them together. Also, you can hit us in the comment section to get the outline of the printout sheet of what we're talking about. We're making sure one of the team members get it to you. But also, we have a software, okay? We have a software that allows you to be able to track your expenses. You can use your cell phone. You can do it in real time, ladies and gentlemen. You can put it in your cell phone as you do what you do. What happens, because a lot of times this is real tedious. People got receipts. They got things that they're doing all the time. Who feel like going home after a long day and another 30 minutes to an hour to deal with some paper, and you got family, children, significant others. So we showing you how to do it in real time. Almost majority of people in the country got a cell phone, so we show you you could document in real time. Guess what? For receipts, you could take a picture and load it up. We call that a big deal. So in record keeping, and we'll give you, and you'll be able to have an annual report. You will give this documentation to your tax preparer or your accountant, and then they'll just do the numbers. And in there it has the description of what it is, and you already have the receipts that if you get audited, you could just give them the receipts with the report, but your tax preparer account just needs your documentation. But if you got the receipts, you can give them a copy as well. So record keeping is what this is all about. That is the number one thing. Again, documentation beats conversation. If it's not in black and white, it didn't happen. All right, so now let's get into it. I just got a few things that I want to share with you that would allow you to be able to, some of the basic things you do on a day-to-day basis, that if you take some of these concepts, ladies and gentlemen, this is huge. So you want to make for sure, again, that you click the subscription button, make for sure you come back, watch some of my videos, and comment if you would like to attend some of our webinars or like somebody from our team to contact you to get you plugged in for all the resources that we got for you. So it is over 80,000 pages in the tax code. And when it comes to definitely for a small business owner, a part-time, spare time, a home-based business, ladies and gentlemen, it is over 400 things that you can possibly qualify to be able to minimize your taxes. Now, everybody say, what are you talking about? Minimizing your taxes, what that mean? Let me make it real simple. If you make $50,000 a year, and you have 10,000 of, quote, expenses that are documented, that you are certified and qualified to be able to deduct. Take 10,000 from the 50,000. Instead of you being taxed on 50,000, now you're in a lower tax bracket and in 40,000. That's called a big deal. Y'all get with this. I only got a couple more seconds and close out. So what I want to share with you to minimize your taxes. How would you love to be able to write off your cell phone? Let's put a dollar amount. So you're looking at your cell phone. Cell phones is what? On an average, somewhere between $100 to $200 a month. So we're looking on that. That's right there is $2,400 a year. So we got $2,400. What about travel? How would you love to be able to go and do what you do, take care of some business, and be able, obviously, enjoy yourself along with that process and wait and write off your air? Right, and I know a lot of times people may not be flying depending on the time that's going on, but you're writing off your flight. You're writing off your car rental. That's a big deal in addition to your hotel. So let's say you travel maybe 3 to 5 times a year. Statistics show the majority of people do at least 3, but say you do 3 to 5 times a year. And so let's just say it's a round number, say $1,000 for your whole package. Then you're looking at, ladies and gentlemen, that, and you do that 3 times, that's $3,000 that you got on your travel. Let's look at your meals now. Ladies and gentlemen, obviously, when you are going to conduct business, sometimes or a lot of times that you are talking about over a meal because it'll allow people to get to know each other and get relaxed. So let's just say for your meals, you have $1,000 for the year. Not for the month, for the year. That's $1,000. Let's say transportation. Ladies and gentlemen, that when you're going from appointment to appointment, when you're going from location to location, and you're going to conduct business on a spare time, part-time, full-time, or big-time basis, did you get a chance to do that? You're looking at, on an average, anywhere between about 56 cents a mile. Most people on the average are traveling anywhere between about 5,000 to 10,000, 2 to 3 oil changes. So ladies and gentlemen, we say if you're doing 10,000 for the whole year, that's about $3,000 in cash flow you get on that. Let's just say awards. If you are giving any awards or recognition to your clients and you're giving some appreciation for them doing business. So say you're giving out $1,000 in appreciation, say for entertainment recognition purposes. Say you're giving out $500. Depreciation, we're going to leave that to your accountant. And for your children. Ladies and gentlemen, this is huge. $12,000 per child. $12,000 per child. So let's close this out. We got 12,000. We got 13. We got 16, 17. We got 20. Ladies and gentlemen, right now we are at 20. We are at 29,000 of expenses right there. I'm sorry, 2,900 in expenses right there. So we got what? Yeah, we had 2,009. We got 12, 13. Yes, 6. Yes, there we go. We got 20. Yeah, we got 20. Take it back, about 22. So you're looking at, ladies and gentlemen, how would you like to be able to decrease your income between 10, 15, 20,000 or more? Ladies and gentlemen, we share with people all the time. Again, remember, documentation beats conversation. Make sure you hit the subscription button. I promise you, if you really want to get more, you want to use these programs or this strategy, make sure you hit us in the comment section. Make sure you join one of our webinars that we do, a quote, nationally, internationally, online, as well as workshops we do offline. As I say all the time, good things come to those who wait, but only what's left over from those who hustle. Again, my name is Fahim Muhammad, the Freedom Coach. The hustle is for free, but the game is for a fee. Free yourself, and dreams will follow. I holla.